Craving a quick, impressive, and ridiculously tasty meal? These Costco chicken breast bites are your new weeknight hero. We're starting with this amazing deal, a family-sized pack of fresh chicken breast from Costco. You'll need about 2 pounds for this recipe, which will give you plenty of delicious bites. First things first, we need to prep our chicken. Lay your chicken breasts on a clean cutting board now. Grab a sharp knife and carefully trim away any excess fat or skin. We want nice, clean pieces of chicken. Next, we're going to cut the chicken into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Aim for about 1-inch cubes, so they cook evenly and are easy to pop into your mouth. Consistency is key here for perfect cooking. Once all your chicken is cut, transfer it to a medium-sized bowl. Now it's time for our simple, flavor-boosting marinade. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. You can adjust the amounts to your taste, but this blend is tried and true. Pour this delicious mixture over your chicken pieces. Use your hands or a spoon to ensure every single bite is coated. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes at room temperature, or up to an hour in the refrigerator for deeper flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large, non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. You want the pan to be nice and hot before adding the chicken. Carefully add your marinated chicken bites to the hot skillet, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. You might need to cook in batches. We're aiming for a beautiful golden brown sear on all sides. Let each side cook for about 34 minutes, until it's nicely browned and cooked through. You can tell it's done when it's no longer pink inside. The marinade will caramelize beautifully, adding incredible flavor. Once cooked, transfer your perfect Costco chicken breast bites to a serving plate. They're ready to be enjoyed as is. Or you can toss them with your favorite dipping sauce. Think barbecue, honey mustard, or even a spicy ranch. Seriously, look at that color. These are incredibly juicy, flavorful, and unbelievably easy. Perfect for a quick lunch, appetizer, or a simple dinner. Enjoy your delicious, budget-friendly Costco chicken breast bites.